Hello everyone. Do you remember last week when we talked about how snow was formed and we learnt that water turns from being a liquid to a gas and then goes up into the air to form a cloud, but instead of raining it freezes into a solid and turns into snow? Well, this week I thought it'd be a good idea to look at what happens when water changes state from being a liquid to a solid, from being a solid to a liquid, and from being a liquid to a gas. So the first thing we're going to do is start off with water as a liquid, and we are going to put it in the freezer. What do you think is going to happen? Shall we find out? Let's put it in the freezer. Well done if you said that the water would turn into ice. And that process is called freezing and happens when the temperature of water is 0 degrees Celsius. But what do you think will happen if we put the ice at room temperature? Well, here's a clue. Just have a look what's happening to the ice just by me holding it for a few seconds. You can see it's starting to do what? That's right, it's starting to melt. Melting is the change from a solid to a liquid when heat is applied. Can you think of any other examples of melting apart from ice going into water? Here are some other examples I've thought of. I've seen butter melt and I've also seen chocolate melt too. Shall we play a game? Shall we find out how long it takes Mr Pengelly to melt a piece of ice in his hands? On your marks, get set, go! And Mr Pengelly's off. He's trying his best. Can he do it? How long is it going to take him? Oh, this is taking me a lot longer than I thought it would. I'm starting to get really tired now. It just won't seem to melt, and I keep on dropping it now as well. Oh no! Bit harsh from the crowd, that. I've almost done it! Yes! Finally! It actually took me 3 minutes and 21 seconds. But we can see it doesn't take long for ice to melt at room temperature. And soon we will have water again. But how will water turn into a gas? Well, there's a clue here. We can see that by heating the water, we can make it evaporate and turn into a gas. Can you think of any other examples where liquids evaporate? One thing that I thought of was when your body gets hot. Because when your body gets hot, you sweat. And the heat from your body turns that sweat into a gas. It makes the sweat evaporate. That's what helps cool you down after you've done some exercise. Let me finish this video off with a little bit of exercise, because I know that my class really like doing some exercise. And all it's going to be is 10 seconds of running on the spot really fast. Are you ready? Are you steady? Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh gosh, I'm out of breath and I'm sweating a little bit now. Okay, thank you very much for listening to this video and have a fantastic day.